Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In today's video, we'll take a look at an interesting icebreaker template. Since Valentine's is next month, Valentine's is in Feb, we'll take a look at this template called What's Your Cupid Name? This is a very simple template that you can use for your icebreaker sessions in the month of February. All you have to do is copy this template by clicking on the Use Template button, and then the instructions are pretty simple. You have to construct your Cupid name by taking the first letter of your name. So my name is Clyde, so I'll take C, and your birth month. So let's say if I was born on November, I take November over here, and you combine that. So C is Ebullient and November is Cuddle Bug. So my Cupid name is Ebullient Cuddle Bug. Now you would ask all of your participants to do the same. Ask them to find out what their Cupid name is, and get them to shout it out or maybe add it in chat, and build an engaging icebreaker for your Valentine's themed session. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and do click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and of course add a comment down below if you have used this template, and most importantly add a comment down below to tell me what your Cupid name is. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.